Well, good morning out there in YouTube land. Hey, you guys, subscribe to our channel. Hit the share button. So we're making a swimming pool heater. So this is just black polyurethane pipe. There's the puppy. And the sun comes up and it heats this area really hot in the afternoon. Looks like part of it's going to be in the shade even. So the idea is we're going to put on, that's 200 yards right there. We're going to add another 100 yards still. And then the water will go into the pipes, not too fast, and rotate around, and it'll come up and go into the swimming pool. And it's not to get it hot like a jacuzzi. It's just to take the edge off the cold, because it's so hot here that even a little bit of hot isn't good. I mean, a little bit of cold. So look at him being a terrorist down there. The dog. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. Nice day.